Hey everybody, happy Wednesday, happy New Year. First real video of 2026. I'm fighting some sort of Ebola virus. That's why things have been sort of quiet around here. But the year's already off to a decent start. Now, I'm not buying any more gear this year. No more gear. However, I did purchase this at the end, well, in the middle of December of last year. And with the help of Canada Post, we have found it as it was missing for several days. We're going to get into this. We got something from Grohmann knives. I'm going to turn the camera around. We'll get this thing open and we'll check it out. Hang on. Alrighty, gang. What could it be? What could it be? Some nice long box. Doesn't weigh a lot. Well packaged. We'll use another knife to open up another knife. Come on, knife. More top secret shipping stuff. Unreal. It's my invoice. Oh yeah, it's got top secret stuff on it. Nothing else in there. Couple sweet catalogs, outdoor knives, kitchen knives. Maybe I'll get the Life Manager a new knife. What do you think, Brain? Snarf. What do we got in here? Look at that. Oh, it's tiny. I love it. I knew it was going to be tiny. I didn't know it was going to be this tiny. Oh, this is amazing. So what I did is I picked myself up a number 2 bird and trout knife. Full flat. I just think this is one of the best looking little knives out there. Oh, it's tiny. It feels good in my hand. You know, the jimping on it's good. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's right here. I don't know why this is a factory second. Mad deals on their factory seconds, everybody. Oh, what a great little knife. Yeah, I did. Yeah, maybe this will be my new truck knife. This might be the knife of the year. I'm just going to use this steady. Let's take a look. We got the full flat. Do I got a cloth? I do have a cloth. Hang on. It's cold. It's been outside since Friday. Apparently it got delivered Friday at 9:45. It's been missing since. Some guy put it in the actual wrong mailbox. But Canada Post did its job. We found it. I'll probably replace the lanyard with some fire cord. Great little handle. Great little knife. Oh, there's that. This cost me $63 before shipping and taxes. I think I was out the door. Let's look. $89.78. Oh, it is almost impossible to get a great knife for $89 anymore. What a great little knife. Can't wait to use it. This has squirrels and other things in its future. Ah, thanks to the great people at Grohmann Knives for making this incredible knife and getting it out to me. Oh, I need something to cut with now. Oh, that point. Oh, yes. Love it. Yes. And they made sure it was bitchin' sharp. Sheath. Let's check out the sheath. Oh, yeah. Love it. Okay. As I said, I picked it up as a factory second. I don't know why it's a factory second. I think it's the grommet for the lanyard. Either way, this is great. Nobody can complain about this knife. I know I'm sure not gonna. Anyhow, sorry gang, didn't mean to turn this into a 4-minute video. Hope it's not too much for you. I'll put the link to the site because they got more great deals on their factory seconds. Yeah, oh, this is so great. I can't wait to play with this. Hope everybody's having a great new year. Hope it's off to a great start for everybody. Like, subscribe. Thanks to everybody who follows the channel. And as always, see ya! Okay, I figured out what made it a factory second. There's some wicked scratches right here. Yeah, you can see them right there. So whoever did that, thank you very much. All right, gang. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. See ya.